Now let's switch to Gemini. I would like to know if it can find and analyze historical data on floods in Thailand and assess their potential economic impacts on our planned construction and operations. Let's type our prompt. Thailand is prone to flooding. Analyze historical flood data for the proposed location over the last 10 years. Include potential economic impacts on planned construction and operations. To be honest, it is a trick question because ChatGPT or Gemini can find historical data, process, and analyze the data you feed into it. They can also evaluate the impact if additional information is available and provided. However, you need to keep in mind that at this stage, they handle more local decomposed tasks well. If you send such a complex request, you may not be satisfied with the answer. Although they cannot directly give us the answer to the question we asked, they can decompose the resulting task and help us identify the key points to achieve our goal.